Hello friends, in this video we will solve the problem print in reverse. So we have given a linked list and we have to print the element of the linked list, that is the data part of linked list, in a reversed order. So to achieve this functionality I have used a dynamic stack. So initially I have traversed the original linked list, and while traversing I have pushed the data part of this linked list in a stack, and after completion of traversing the original linked list I have traversed the stack and I have pulled and print the data into the stack. So by doing this I've got the elements in the linked list in a reversed order. So we will jump to the function and there I will tell you how you can solve this problem. So here is the head of the original linked list. So to traverse this linked list I have taken a trav variable. Trav will contain the initially value as head, and to create a stack I've taken a stack variable. So initially the stack will contain value as null. So to traverse the original linked list I've used while loop. So while trav not equal to null, we have to create a new node to put into this stack. So to create a new node we have to take new node variable and we have to give a size to it, that is size of pointer, that is head, and size of int. So size of int plus size of head will create a new node. So we have to put the data and the next part of this new node. So new node arrow data will be same as the data in the original linked list. So the data in the original linked list, we will get this using this trav variable, and the next part of new node will be equal to stack, and this new node we will insert at the first position of the stack, so stack will also get modified. So new node equal to stack equal to new node. Now after doing this we have to just traverse to the next part, to the next node of our original linked list, so that we can get the next node into our stack. So these are the functions these are the three lines which we have used to push the data in the stack. So after completion of this while loop we will get all the data pushed into a stack. So we have to just traverse this using trav variable. So firstly we have to modify the stack trav variable to stack, and after we have to run the while loop till trav not equal to null. So in this while loop we are traversing the stack, so we have to print also while traversing. So we will print using %d/n, and we have to print the data, so that's why trav arrow data. So to modify the trav pointer we will just use trav arrow next. So after completion of this while loop we'll get all the elements printed in a reversed order. So for that we will just check by run code if it is getting it wrong, right or wrong. So first two test cases are passed, so we will submit to check all the other conditions. So all the conditions, all the test cases are passed. So this is the code you can use to print the given linked list in a reversed order. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.